In the beginning, there was darkness. Not an abyss, not a void, but a shadow. A place where destinies intertwine in the delicate dance of chance and choice. Welcome to the realm of Umbral Unity, weaving threads of fate. In a realm where light is a scarce commodity and shadows rule, destiny takes on a whole new meaning. It is a place where fate is not a predetermined path, but a malleable thread, ever twisting and turning, guided by the unseen hands of the Umbra. The Umbra, the darkest part of a shadow where the light is completely blocked, becomes a realm of unity, a gathering point for interconnected destinies. Our characters, each a unique thread of fate, are drawn into the Umbra. They are not merely surviving in this shadowy realm but thriving, their destinies interweaving in an intricate tapestry of events. The Umbra becomes their playground, this shadowy realm a crucible, shaping their stories, their lives, and their destinies. Each thread of fate, each life tells a story. A story of resilience, of hope, of unity formed in the seemingly impenetrable darkness. As these threads intertwine, they create a narrative richer than any single thread could weave on its own. A narrative that shows us the power of unity in the face of adversity, the strength found in interconnected destinies, and the beauty that can bloom even in the darkest shadows. In the Umbra, nothing is as it seems. The shadows hide secrets, and the secrets shape destinies. As our characters navigate this realm, they learn the lessons of the Umbra, lessons of trust, resilience, and unity. As they weave their way through the shadows, their destinies become a testament to the power of unity formed in the Umbra. As we journey through the shadows, we witness the power of interconnected destinies. We see how each thread, each life influences the other, shaping and reshaping the tapestry of fate. We see the beauty of unity formed in the Umbra, a unity that is not imposed but organic, born out of shared experiences and shared destinies. In conclusion, the journey within the shadows unveils a captivating narrative of interconnected destinies. The Umbra, the darkest part of a shadow, becomes a realm of unity, a place where each thread of fate intertwines to create a rich tapestry of stories. The characters thrive in the Umbra, learning lessons of resilience, trust, and unity. Their destinies become a testament to the power of unity formed in the Umbra, showing us the beauty that can bloom even in the darkest shadows.